What is the product negative 2 and 1 over 12 and negative 1 and 4 over 5? Product, it means we have to multiply these two numbers. We have negative 2 and 1 over 12 times negative, let me write this in parentheses, 1 and 4 over 5. So this is equal, when we multiply two negative numbers or we divide two negative numbers, we always get positive. So we have positive sign, and we have to multiply these two mixed numbers. We have 2 and 1 over 12 times 1 and 4 over 5. We will change these two mixed numbers to improper fractions. Positive sign we don't have to write, so we have just 2 and 1 over 12. We change to improper fractions, so we multiply denominator times whole number and add numerator. So copy denominator. 12 times 2 is 24 plus 1 is 25. Times the same. Denominator we copy. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. This is equal. We have multiplication of fractions. First, we have to check if we can reduce something. We have 25 and 5. How we reduce? We divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So 25 we can divide by 5 will be 5, and 5 by 5 is 1. And we have 9 and 12. We can divide by 3. So it will be 3 and 4. So this is equal, 5 times 3 is 15. We multiply fractions, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 4 times 1 is 4. We got improper fraction. We can change this to mixed number. How many times you can put 4 to 15? 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. And denominator we copy. Always you can check. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. So everything is correct. This is my solution.